Now that the home is set up, there are several key areas to be comfortable with, from everything from edits to updates to shade operation. So now, let's take a look. When opening the app, the first view will be the dashboard. Think of this as the area to quickly access your most often used shades, scenes, or automations. Simply press the Add to Dashboard to add whatever you wish. The Rooms tab will show all available rooms with shades. You can always add a new room or select the room of shades you wish to operate. Since we have the same type of shades in this room, you can press and hold to highlight each shade to operate, or select one at a time. Position the shades as desired. When selecting an individual shade, you can send it to the favourite position here, or choose the settings icon to edit or update the shade. Now, let's look at scenes. Scenes are a customised position for each shade. Scenes like Open, Close and Privacy were created by default during the setup. However, you can always create more here or change the order in which you see the scenes from this page. You can also automate these scenes on a schedule right here, or if we go back to the menu. Next is automations. Automations are a great way to schedule scenes to run or set a schedule. Just set it and forget it. From the Automations tab, select Create Automation, select the scene. Now you can choose the time to trigger the scene and which days of the week. You can also set scenes to activate before, at or after sunrise and sunset at your home. Enabling location service is required for this feature. The last item is More. There are many functions here. So starting at the top, you can select the home and see any other available homes, or hit the plus sign, add a new home. You can also navigate to your account settings. Next is your account information. You can select this to also navigate to your account settings. Ensure your account type is set correctly. A homeowner would choose default. If you are the installer, you'd want to choose Installer to manage the multiple homes in which you are working. Also under notifications, you can opt in or out of utility email notifications or promotional emails. Next is Users. This can be added to Home by selecting the plus sign. Each user needs to create their own account. Next, we have the Shades menu. From here, you can see all of the shades within the home. If there are additional shades in the home that have not been discovered yet, these would show up here as well. Within each shade setting are all of the shade's information, such as the name, power information, the room location, favourites, shades info and advanced settings. Now onto the accessories, where you'll find the details for items such as gateways or remotes included in the home. Under Gateways, you can check the status of an existing gateway or easily set up a new gateway by selecting Plus. Under Remotes, you can access the information and details of any existing remote. It is easy to update any remote existing group number configuration by following the prompts. You can also select the plus sign to add a brand new remote, or perhaps you would like to copy an existing remote, so you can have a duplication remote in the same room. Simply select Copy Existing Remote, select the remote you wish to copy, rename the copied remote if you wish, then begin the sync process using the new remote. Back to the menu. The notifications will indicate any action items that need your attention. This could include things such as firmware updates or low battery notifications. Firmware updates will list all of the shades and accessories, their current firmware status, and if any updates are needed. One item you will not see here is gateways. As long as the gateway is connected to the internet, it will receive updates automatically. The Setup Wizard will take you into a setup process. This could be for a new home or to make any additions to your existing home.